Marielle, mom and a girl with plans, and I am so excited to introduce you guys to the brand new Glowforge Aura. This is the first ever craft laser from Glowforge. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how easy it is to set up and get started creating your first project. You can be unboxed and ready to go and printing within 30 minutes. So I'll show you kind of what that process looks like and some of the fun things I've created so far. So let's get started.
Okay, I got two big boxes. The first one with the Aura and the second one with the air purifier. All right, let's set this up. I'm gonna open up the first box and it's got padding, so I'm gonna remove that. And then the sheet that kind of protects it as well. And there it is, the Glowforge Aura. All right, let's turn the box around and I'm gonna get it up on the chest of drawers. I got them at Michael's and they're gonna be perfect for holding all of the things. Okay, so I'm opening up the lid and then we've got the, I guess, tubing that goes to the air purifier. All right, this part made me a little nervous because that laser print head is right in there. So I'm gonna carefully take this box out and kind of see. I'm gonna grab that print head and lift it here. It's got some more foam protecting it, so I'm gonna carefully take it out. You've got to make sure that you don't bend that ribbon that's connecting it. All right, so we've got it. You want to keep it kind of straight, and it's magnetic, so it's gonna pop right on. All right, let me show you again really quick. So see, it just kind of, you can lift it, and I'm gonna pop it right on the rails. All right, and then I'm gonna take the foam that's holding those rails off the side here. And you wanna make sure you don't bend them or kind of get them out of alignment. Okay, and then I'm gonna get the second one here. All righty, so I've got both of those foam pieces out. Now the instructions say to move the rail towards you. Just make sure everything slides and everything looks straight there, and then slide it all the way to the back. I was kind of nervous doing this, but it went perfectly. And just slide it back. Okay, I'm gonna take this out of the bottom bed of the machine. All right, and then we've got this, I think it's the crumb tray, and we'll just kind of see what's in here. Yep. Wait, hold on. So we've got the crumb tray that's going to go in the bottom of the machine to keep it clean. Oh, there's also a board in here. So we've got a board that we can do our first cut on and practice. And then again, that metal crumb tray that your items are going to go on, and then all those little crumbs can fall to the bottom of the bed and not affect the laser. It's got two kind of tabs on the side. And just line it up and put it in the machine. All right, so they're pretty secure, so we are good to go. All right, now I've got to attach the air filter, and I'm gonna turn this around so you can see it. I'm trying to be careful here. The machine's actually really light, so I think I'm just being extra careful not to jostle it. But honestly, the drawers had wheels. I should have just turned the whole unit around instead of doing this, but you know, you live and you learn. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the vent on to the back of the machine. It's actually slides on really easy. I think I was just making sure that it was on there, pushing pretty hard, but it actually was. It was really easy to attach. And I'm just double checking it. Yep, it's on there. It's not moving. All right, now I've got this air filter, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the plastic. Now the air filter, you can run the machine without it, have it vent through a window, but if you've got this air filter, you can use it anywhere in the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off and take this lid off. Take out what's inside here. The actual filter is in there for the air purifier. And this kind of keeps all of the smell, all of just the different things in the air, kind of cleans it and keeps it healthy for your house. All right, so I'm putting it back in, and there's a green line on here. Just make sure that that lines up and put the lid back on. There's not a power switch on this device. It actually is powered from the machine. Okay, and then we're going to put the tubing on there. It just goes right on. And then you need to make sure that wherever you set this air purifier, you don't have more than 2 90-degree bends in it. So when I put this in place, I'll make sure that I don't. Alrighty, and I'm going to remove this. This is the onboard camera so that you can see your material and what your project will look like in real time, so you can set it up precisely. Okay, and now it's time to do the power cord, and I'm fumbling around back here trying to get that in. It's really not that hard. I just wasn't sure where it was. So yeah, maybe if I looked, I could see it. Okay, there we go. So now we are going to just put the power cord in, and this machine does not have an on-off switch, so it will auto shut off in 30 minutes if it's not being used, but I'd go ahead and just unplug it to be safe. Now, this is it. I was done setting it up. The next part, you will go ahead in the app software and set up the Wi-Fi connection and get everything ready to go, and you can start printing right away. The first project I'm going to print is the Gift of Good Measure keychain. It's one that everybody does. It is perfect because you can test out cutting, engraving, and scoring. So cutting, it's going to cut all the way through the material. Scoring, it's just going to draw a line in the material. And engraving, it's actually going to etch into the material. You can even etch a photograph, a logo. Pretty much sky's the limit. And here is my little keychain. Now, the Glowforge Proofgrade material does come masked, which means it's got this protective film on it. So I'm going to take it off. This helps prevent scorching and protects either your wood or your acrylic from getting damaged. And here it is, my first project that incorporates all of the amazing things that the Glowforge can do. Here are some of the Proofgrade materials that are available from Glowforge. We've got acrylic and different woods. There's different finishes. They all have the barcode on there, which tells the machine what settings to use. And we've also got iron-on, which works amazing, as well as natural leather. There's so many different things that you can use in the machine. So once I did that, I decided I wanted to try my own custom design. So I wanted to create something with acrylic, and you'll see here it's cutting it out. The material, again, told it to make 2 passes, so it's going to go ahead and cut all the way through the acrylic. And I'm using 3 different colors on this project. Alrighty, and this is done. I get really excited when I see stuff with my name because growing up, I never could get stuff with my name. So this is the first one, and I scored it so I would have where to place the pieces and keep it easy for me. And as you can see, it cut all the way through, and it does have the masking on it, so I'll take this off and show you what I made. Alrighty, here it is with all 3 colors, and I absolutely love it. Here's a couple of other fun things that I made, and I'll be sure to make another video to go over some of these if you'd like to see how I created all of these projects.
Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I would love it if you'd hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell so you can get notifications when I post new videos. The Glowforge Aura is available now at Michael's and Joann's, as well as some of those Proofgrade products, so definitely check it out. Thanks again, and have an amazing day.